Today we are back to installing a mod on the car, which I know everyone will be excited about after the last couple of talky videos. So let's get into what I am installing on the car, and it's something on the inside because I don't want to make you wait. And here it is. It is a fire extinguisher, which will go at the bottom of the seat, but you can kind of tell here that it's actually paint matched to the car, which I think looks really cool. So it's a custom fire extinguisher that is going to go down here, and here's the bracket. So the bracket goes down on the bottom of the seat like this. Fire extinguisher clips in there, and then we've got a fire extinguisher always in the car, whether we need it, which hopefully we never do, or if someone else needs it. Yes, they're mainly for if you kind of take the car on track. That's when things get a bit hot and cars like to go on fire, but I don't really take my car on track, so that shouldn't be an issue for me. I mainly just want it because it'll look cool, and it's always fun to do a different mod on the car, so this is going to be something different. I've never installed a fire extinguisher before. Been wanting to do this for a while, and I've already kind of assembled this little bracket piece, which is just 2 screws with a washer and a nut on the back, and then I have already taken out the bolts here, which are these. So there are, I think it's a T27 star head, double star, whatever it is. It's these bolts anyway, which are the factory bolts that would come in here. But obviously, since I don't have the factory seats, it doesn't really fit too well. You kind of have to make it work with this little thing on the side. If you go on my TikTok, you'll see that video because I've just put that up. But it's a nightmare to get these out, so I'm going to be swapping them out for these bolts, which are an M10, I believe. I actually can't remember. I've got them such a long time ago. I do have them on the driver's side, but I've never put it on the passenger side because I've just never got around to it. It was something that there wasn't a need to do it, so I just never did it. Now I've got a need to do it, so let's do it. But anyway, let's get the camera set up on a tripod and let's get this installed because it won't take long. I just need to line it up and then put the 2 bolts back in, and I am going to sort out the bolts in the back seats as well because I haven't taken them out yet, so you can see how much of a nightmare it is to get those original bolts out. I really don't know why I put them in the first place. It was a challenge and I didn't actually think about changing them out at the time. Since then, I obviously figured out that I should have just changed them in the first place and put in a better bolt, which is what we're going to do. I do also have something else in the background that you might have peeked in sort of some of these clips. That is something that's going to be done under the engine bay. I think from the last couple of videos, those seem to do quite well. So another engine bay mod is coming. It's a cosmetic mod. It's not going to make a difference to anything. It'll add a slight bit of weight, even though it shouldn't add weight. That is kind of a little hint of what it is. But yeah, something else under the engine bay, and that'll probably be the next video, so look out for that one. But anyway, like I said, let's get into this. Has both the bolts in, and seat is nice and sturdy. Side's moving, but it's not moving up and down. Nice and sturdy all together. And yeah, we just need to put the fire extinguisher in now. So before I do that, you can see I've obviously left 2 holes here, so you can have the fire extinguisher pushed up more. So if you have OEM seats, that would probably work better, just to kind of give more legroom to your passengers and stuff like that. But in this car, since I've got aftermarket ones, you can see that there's this little bit here. So I couldn't slide that back. I could put this underneath the actual rail itself and then just have the seat slightly higher, which wouldn't be an issue. But then I also have the issue of this sticking out, which is kind of, this seat's as far back as it goes and it's probably in line there. I might be able to get it forward a wee bit, but I doubt it. So we'll see once we put the fire extinguisher in here. Basically, this will hit it if it's not far enough back. So we've got this sticking out far enough, and well, passengers just need to have their legs straight, and that's not an issue for me. So, and with the bracket now installed, we have the final bit of putting on the fire extinguisher, which just simply goes in there, and then you just need to push it down. So making sure it's seated all the way back, and then in line here, which you just need to move over slightly, and then you can just push it down. It'll probably take a bit of force because it does need to stay snug in there whilst you're kind of driving about and everything. But there we go. That looks pretty cool. I mean, I can move that seat forward a little bit, which I will probably do in a second, but let's just take a seat in here, see how awkward it is to get in, and absolutely no issue at all, to be honest. And there you go. It is not really taking up much room. Obviously there's a bit here, but you usually sit like that when you're in the car anyway. So, but it is definitely adding a nice little pop of color down there, and it's a nice safety thing whilst also looking really cool, which I am really happy with how that looks. But now with that done, we can move on to this back one, which she's a teddy bear. It's still in here. I've just never taken it out. I've already put all the bolts and stuff down here, but we'll take out the old bolts and put the better bolts in. Before we do that, I want to see if I can slide this seat forward a little bit. Let's try to do this one-handed without scratching anything. Go, it is moving. Pull it. Locked in place. That's probably as close as you want to go. Also, so you can still use it. So yeah, we'll leave it like that, and that should be a perfect seating position anyway. Right, to the back bit. So let's get down here where it is dirty as hell, but we will be fine with that. Get that light set up. So basically the little screw is right there, or bolt I should say. And then the other one is over this side. And there's the little wrench I need to grab because I did drop it down there. But this is probably going to be very hard for you guys to see. I will set this up probably on wide angle just here and run it as a montage of me trying to struggle and get this out, because you're not going to see much. It's going to be hard, so let's just do it. To make this a lot easier, I just moved the seat forward, as you probably just noticed. I took the fire extinguisher out so I could do that. Obviously it just pops off and the bracket's still in there, which is nice and handy. And there we go, there's the first one out. You can obviously see that I switched to these, which made it a little easier because I was trying to get this little T7 bit or whatever it is. I can't remember what it is, but that in with this little wrench to hold on to it, and it just wasn't fitting. I have absolutely no idea how I originally got these in here, but this is working, so we're going to do this for the next one as well. And that is the last one coming out now. There we go. It is an absolute nightmare getting these things in. I have no idea why I put them in like the way that I did before. It's just, yeah, nothing but problems. But we're going to swap it out for this now, and this should be a lot easier going back in. And with that done, we've now got the easy part of just kind of tightening these down using this 17mm wrench, and that's pretty tight over there. And on this one's a wee bit looser just because it was harder to get into it, but it's still going down nicely. There we go, and that's nice and tight. It wasn't even on it properly, but there we go. So just need to clean that up and we're done. And with that done, we can now put the seat back a little bit further so we can get this fire extinguisher back in. It's going to be the hard bit, doing it with one hand. Oh, there we go. Excuse the noise. Is that far enough back? We'll try it. We'll see. Yeah, that looks far enough back. So we'll just pop this in here, and then, like we showed before, this bit's pushed down. Lovely. And we just need to make the seat lock into place. Probably need to sit in it to do that. Yep, it's locked in place, it's not moving, so that is good. With that done, we're done with this video. So like I mentioned at the beginning, I do have another mod that I am planning on doing. Well, actually I have a few mods, but this is kind of a bigger one. I think the fire extinguisher is kind of a big one. It deserves its own like full video. I've got ones that are little ones that I'll probably accumulate into a smaller video. But yeah, like I said, it is under the bonnet, this mod, and I'm quite excited for it because it's going to change it up quite a lot because it's a big part of it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So that will be coming in probably the next video, which should be during the week. So this one should go up on Sunday, which for me is tomorrow. And then the next one will be during the week. I'm going to try and aim for sort of Wednesday or Thursday. Keep that sort of schedule of one of those days, and then Sunday again after that. But yeah, this was just a nice wee mod. Get out of the sort of talky videos. Well, I mean, I'm still talking a lot, but we've got a mod done in this one, so there's something new to look at, which is quite cool, and I've been kind of waiting to do this for a while. I think it looks really smart in there and just adds a pop more colour to the interior, which we love. But yeah, I will stop talking now. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. If you give it a like and a comment, that would really help me out with the algorithm. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you in the next one.